Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace these ear pads on these beautiful Beats. Order yourself something either from eBay or Amazon, or order some of these pads to replace these things. They come with two pads, one for each side. It costs about $10 or $15 right there, shipping included. It's not that difficult. You can take a butter knife or you can take one of these tools to pry this open, so you just feel free to use a butter knife. All you have to do is get between the pad itself and the adhesive, and you just pull this thing off. Here, it's not that. Once you get a part of it off, then you can actually use your hands to pry any remnants, any residue there. You can use your hands to pull that off. Make sure everything is completely gone and clean. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Most of the tape came off. All right. So all the tape came off. So now what you can do is you can take a wet wipe. So I have this alcohol swab. So I'm gonna take this and just kind of rub it down, make sure I get this clean. So all the edges, or any residue, any tape residue that's there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this thing, I'm gonna take the tape off, and I'm going to put it right on top. I just want to make sure everything fits as expected. So we just pull this tape off. You can see there's two different types. There's the right and left, and this one has a little bit more space here to make up for this for the charger. So what I'm going to do is here, I'll fold this so it's out of the way. Put this in place, and I'm going to press this. I'm going to put my hand on top. I'm gonna press it, just like that. There's these holes here which tell you where to, so this is where this little prong is. So it'll go just like that, it'll just sit on top, just like that. Okay, we're ready to put this on.